Step I when the 100V source is acting alone, figure 3.74. From the figure, Vx equals 5I. Applying KVL to the mesh. 100, 10I plus 10Vx. 5I equals 0. 100, 10I plus 10, 5I equals 0. Equals minus I2. 86. Step 2 when the 10A source is acting alone, figure 3.75. From figure 3.75. VXVV, I1 2I minus I. Applying KVL to mesh 1. Minus equals 10 10 5 0 equals 10 10 minus 0 1 minus 5 1 1 0 5 2 IV plus 10 1 plus 10 I plus 10 1 plus 10 55 minus X 1 2 minus 555 minus 1 2 I 1 I 35 45 0 1 2 45 I 45 1 45 equals 2 I 4545 2. For mesh 2, I2 10 equals minus 3. Solving x 2 and 3. I 1 2 12 10 equals minus I 86. A equals minus II equals 112. 86. Step 3 by superposition theorem. II plus equals minus 286 1 minus 286 1 is equal to minus 5. 86 12. 72.